Hey dear, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to set up Wokiee Shopify theme Megamenu in your Shopify online store. So, if you purchase Wokiee Shopify theme and feeling stuck to set up your Megamenu or set up your theme as demo, then you can continue this video. Here I am going to show you very easy step and easy guidelines so that you can do this without hiring any developer. Okay, so before we start this process, I want to share something about Wokiee Shopify theme. Here is the Wokiee Shopify theme that you will find in the Enbarto marketplace under the e-commerce category of Shopify fashion store. It's already made almost 20,000 sales, and Wokiee Shopify theme is the best Shopify theme for e-commerce business according to Enbarto Test. Wokiee Shopify theme is one of the best e-commerce template 2021 according to Enbarto Test, and Wokiee Shopify theme one of the best Shopify theme in 25 best Shopify theme with beautiful e-commerce design according to Enbarto Test. So I hope you can understand that why Wokiee Shopify theme is so popular. Okay, now I'm going to open the demo. So here is the demo that I have set up for my client on my client's website. My client wanted to set up her website same as demo, and I have already done most of the work. Looks here, this is my client website. So now I'm going to show you how to set up Megamenu on the left side of slider. To do this, first I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is the Shopify admin panel, and I'm going to click on the online store, then click on the customize. Now watch this video very carefully and follow all the steps. First, you have to select header type 3, because if you don't select header type 3, this menu does not work or this style does not work. So you must select this header type 3, or you have to be sure that you have used header type 3 from here. And when you install the demo of 20, this demo, this header type 3 automatically added here. So this is the first step to be confirmed we are using header type 3. Then we click on the header categories button. From here, first we will add the category title, new categories, and click on the save. Then you can see the update right here. Looks here, new category. So we can change this text from here. Okay, we have done the second step of this header categories section. Then we have to select our categories menu. So I have selected the categories menu from my menu section, and you have to first create your menu from your admin panel. Again, I'm going to my admin panel, click on the online store, navigation. Then from here you have to create your menu before work on here. So I have done already, create a menu name categories, and I selected this menu right here. Okay, so we can see that the menu item appear right here, health, home, men's. If I check my categories menu, you can see the same health, home, men's, food, pet, everything is all right. Then we have to change the icon. So to changing icon, we have to paste our SVG code for each item icon. Then you can see that menu item 1, that's mean this one, menu item 2, that's mean home and garden, menu item 3, menu item 4, that's mean food and beverage, menu item 5, that's mean pet. Okay, we can paste all the menu item SVG code for icon right here. We can do maximum 12 item icon. So how we can generate this SVG code? Now I'm going to show you the process. We can generate our SVG icon from here. For example, we can convert PNG or JPG image icon into SVG format. So here is the easy step. You can draw this easily, I will share this website link in the video description. When you have add this SVG code, the icon will be displayed on the targeted menu item. Okay, so I hope you understand the process how we can set up these categories. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you need any help or any support relevant Shopify theme development, customizer setup, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.